to discover the magic of making your home feel fresh, clean, and energized this spring. With just a few drops of this easy diffuser blend, you'll transform your space into a paradise of natural, uplifting aromas. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're making the ultimate Spring Clean Diffuser Blend. This isn't just any blend, it's a powerful yet refreshing way to bring that crisp, clean, just scrubbed feeling into your home with zero harsh chemicals. So before we dive into this recipe, here's a quick tip. Simply Earth makes natural DIY so easy with our recipe box. Subscribe to get the key ingredients for this recipe and more delivered monthly. Your first box even includes a free big bonus box with extra goodies to kickstart your DIY journey. Not ready to subscribe? That's no problem. You can grab all the ingredients anytime at simplyearth.com. Store-bought diffuser blends often contain harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances that can fill your home with toxins. Yuck! But with this recipe, you're in control. You get to create a natural, toxin-free diffuser blend that smells amazing and it's safe for you and your family. Who wouldn't want that? So, turn off your distractions because making is healing. Let's make Spring Clean Diffuser Blend together. From your box, you will want to use 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. This helps create a soothing atmosphere and so much more. 1 drop of lemon eucalyptus. This helps detoxify and boost immunity. 1 drop of tangerine essential oil. This helps center your mood. 1 drop clean and fresh essential oil blend. This is energizing, uplifting, and smells awesome. And you will also need a 5 ml amber glass bottle. For instructions, add essential oils to diffuser according to the diffuser's instructions. Diffuse in an open space. To make a stock bottle of this recipe, take a 5 ml amber glass bottle from your big bonus box and add 25 drops of tea tree, 25 drops of lemon eucalyptus, 25 drops of tangerine, and 25 drops of clean and fresh. Swirl to mix. Don't forget to label your master blend. Let's test it out. This smells absolutely refreshing, just like a clean, breezy spring day. You can make this too. When you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a photo and share your creation on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. We can't wait to see your amazing blends in action. For natural DIY products made easy, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. If you're loving this video and want more fun and inspiring DIY recipes, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the other amazing videos popping up on your screen right after this. Thank you for watching.